Hello friends, welcome to MedSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by Uranium Corporation of India Limited. The important dates are opening date for online registration of application is May 18, 2020 and the last date of online submission of application with fees is June 22, 2020. Examination date will be notified later. They are looking for the candidates to the various posts of graduate operational trainee chemical, mining mate C, boiler cum compressor attendant A, winding engine driver B, blaster B, apprentice mining mate, apprentice laboratory assistant. Let's see the post details and essential qualification. For graduate operational trainee, the total vacancies are 4. Maximum age for your unreserved category is 30 years and for SC ST 35 years. Qualification is BSc in physics or chemistry and 60% of mark for your unreserved candidate and 55% of marks for SC ST candidates. Mining mate having 52 vacancies. Maximum age limit is for unreserved category 35 years, OBC 38 years, SC ST 40 years. Boiler cum compressor attendant having 3 vacancies. You can read the essential qualification for all the posts by downloading this notification. Winding engine driver B having 14 vacancies, blaster B having 4 vacancies, apprentice mining mate, apprentice laboratory assistant having 53 and 6 vacancies respectively. Pay and allowance for the post for graduate operational trainee. The pay scale will be 29,990 to 46,720 plus allowances applicable for the post. 2 years training consolidated monthly stipend. During first year of training, the salary will be 33,994 per month, including allowances. For second year, 30,890 plus DA as prevalent during second year. Mining mate C, the salary will be 33,087 rupees. Boiler cum compressor attendant, the salary is 32,180 rupees per month. Winding engine driver B and blaster B, rupees 32,633 per month. Let's see the selection process. 2 stages of selection process: computer based online examination and personal interview. For computer based online examination, 120 objective type questions with multiple choice answers in each paper. Online exam will be held for duration of 2 hours, consisting of general knowledge, awareness, reasoning, numerical ability and general English and professional knowledge. Totally 120 objective type questions. Application fees for general OBC categories, application fees is 500 rupees. For SC, ST and female candidates, there is no fees for them. are the relaxations. How to apply? It's an online application method. You have to apply through the official website of www.uraniumcorp.in. Notification, I will provide the apply link. Just click the link, it will go to the application page. You can directly apply. These are all the important. After submitting your application, you can download it like PDF for further verification.